Okay. So there's two things here that I would recommend because we go through this too. Now, with us, it's different because we're okay with two call. We don't advocate for the one call. Typically the situation can be 50-50 based on the type of person that's coming in, whether they should book it on a follow-up. Now, the way we do follow-ups is very, very, how do you say, uh, structured in terms of positioning them for before the day starts or after the day, so they don't interfere with the blocks in between unless it's absolutely necessary that they do so. So that's how we do that. However, if you do want to stick to a one call process, and you are getting deals from people that go overtime. Because the reason I asked is do they always get deals? Is a lot of the time these people that do this don't get deals, right? So for me, I get pissed off. I'm like, you're trying to squeeze, something that has no juice in it when you could have just booked the second call. Because I advocate volume over squeezing people. I'd rather have more leads than a higher close rate. Because if you have more leads, you'll close more deals anyway. Just a personal philosophy of mine. Not the same with every industry, but with B2B it is. So for you, your situation sounds very specific. You want to keep the one call close. Your guys, it sounds like you're okay with them going overtime, but you're not okay with the lost leads. You've tried free live transfer closes. I would, in your case, hire, and you might not like my answer, man, but keep hiring for the live transfer position and increase the comp. So if they get in the same amount of volume and the quality is a little bit less, there has to be an even out for that closer if you're going to get someone that's talented for it to be worth their time. You may even find that some of your closers look at that new compensation plan for the live transfer and get jealous, right?